Hey y'all, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing super awesome today. Welcome to Zahatka. My name is Valentina and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make this adorable little pillow cover with a zipper, which I love a removable pillow cover because you can change it season to season. So if you want to see how to make this ruffled pillow cover, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like, and let's get going! First thing that I did was measure the pillow that I had that I wanted to put the cover on, and it was 17 by 11, and you want to give it a little room, so I did 19 by 13 fabric, and I cut that out, and I also cut since this is a muslin fabric, I did a double layer, and I just did a cotton lining. I also wanted this pillow cover to have a ruffle edge, and I cut out a piece of fabric 4 inches wide and folded it in half, and the length of it was 84 inches. It was 42 inches all around, and then I just doubled it up so I have enough material once I finish sewing the ruffle and scrunching it up. And here's me just sewing the ruffle. Once I completed the ruffle, I just, fixed it up a bit and then laid it out and clipped it onto one side of the material. So I have 2 pieces of the 19 by 13 inch material, and I just clip it onto just one of the pretty sides and then sew it on. And I stretch it out just to make sure it's all even looking. The ruffle looks about even everywhere, and then I sew it on. Next, I'll be putting on the zipper, and I just put it on one side. I have one of the invisible zippers, which I'm not great at yet, but I'm putting it onto the pretty side, upside down, zipper side down, and I'm sewing it on one side at a time. So this is how it'll look once one side is sewed on. So you have it that way, and then you flip it over, and that's the outside. And then you proceed to sew on the other side. And just to make it clear, the other side gets sewn on the other piece of fabric. So you're sewing the 2 pieces of fabric together with the zipper. So this is how it looks with the zipper sewn on. And now you're gonna sew the pillow all around together. So you put the ruffle on the inside and put the other layer of fabric pretty side down. So pretty side to pretty side with the ruffle inside of the two layers, just like that, and clip it all together and sew it all around. Just make sure that your zipper is at least partially opened, because with the invisible zippers you won't be able to just slide it open easily. You need it because you'll be turning your pillow right side out. And here it is completely done. You cut off any excess of the material that you might have on the sides if you have too much, and then you turn it right side out through that open zipper. And then you put your pillow inside and you close that zipper up and you're done. Now, before this video ends, I did just want to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch, and I do hope this pillow cover tutorial was helpful for you and you're able to make one. If you did try it, please let me know down below. Leave me a comment, subscribe, share, like, and all that good stuff that helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!